Alright, let's talk about this USB small board replacement for the Lenovo IdeaPad 3-15ADA6 82KR and 3-15ALC6 82KU. If you're dealing with a faulty, cracked, or broken USB port on your Lenovo IdeaPad 3-15ADA6 or 3-15ALC6, this little board might just be your savior. This particular replacement board is branded by GeneTie and carries the MPN 5C50S2 5182NNS D522. First off, compatibility is key. This board is specifically designed for the Lenovo IdeaPad 3-15ADA6, model 82KR, and the 3-15ALC6, model 82KU. Before you click that buy button, double-check your laptop's model number. It's usually printed on a sticker on the bottom of your laptop. Making sure you have the right model will save you a lot of headaches. The product description emphasizes the importance of checking both the model number and the picture before making a purchase. This is solid advice. Visually comparing the board to your original one can help confirm compatibility, especially if you're unsure about the model number. Now, let's talk about the installation. The seller rightly reminds you to replace this board while the laptop is completely off. This is crucial for preventing any electrical damage to your laptop or the new board. If you're not comfortable with disassembling your laptop, it might be a good idea to seek professional help. There are plenty of tutorials online, but proceed with caution if you're a beginner. The GeneTie board itself seems to be a straightforward replacement. It's designed to be easy to install, allowing you to replace your old, damaged port without too much hassle. The chipset is an AMD A320 with a memory clock speed of 2,133 MHz and a memory storage capacity of 8 GB. The model name is NE05319SYT1, and it uses a 20-pin main power connector. One thing to note is the mention of quantity. The seller indicates that if you need more than one of these boards, you can contact them for potentially better pricing. This could be useful if you're repairing multiple laptops or want to have a spare on hand. Overall, this GeneTie USB small board replacement seems like a decent option for fixing a broken USB port on your Lenovo IdeaPad 3-15ADA6 or 3-15ALC6. Just remember to verify compatibility, take precautions during installation, and consider buying in bulk if you need multiple units.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.